I thought that was productive.
Marianne, stick higher on your thigh. Deeper in your heel. You can just push him out in front of your leg a little bit more.
Hey, where's Jackie?
She's helping Erica. Guys, go ahead and change direction. Don't collapse through your lower back. Good, and keep him together. Stick on your thigh and stretch back. Good step outside, Rain. On his side, Marianne. Good. And a little leg. Shorten up. And taller. Taller. You're collapsed. Marianne, stay in your heel, hold your leg. Carry your stick on your thigh, soft through your elbow. Good, Steph, a little more thing that you say so much.
What?
Life.
No, it's just, sometimes I just get frustrated. I don't know where I got that
Good,
from,
lift
but
your
I just...
hand a little, Marianne.
Liz was spooning me before and it was really like...
That's what you get. That's what I mean to you, because you call me a pet.
I know, you're actually very...
Good. Out there.
Oh.
With Jeff.
No.
Good. Good. That's good. It's fine. Little leg to support. Stay still. Belle, is that hard work? Huh? That's Eve.
Oh,
It's really not that big of a
you
deal.
built that up so much.
My life is kind of an open book.
Except when we ask you who your date
Pull.
is. What? Oh. I was like, did I miss the course?
Oh.
You should do that. Okay, good. I didn't like you anyway. I was only using you for your body.
Just, you need to.
Yeah. This is such a nice barn.
There's good pictures of the ox or two.
Yeah! That is beautiful!
And then that. Oh, hi!
I forgot. Right. I'm a cool person. I actually have a lot of friends.
Good. Stay tall. Soft through your elbow. Hold your leg.